So welcome my dear students. So in this video lecture tutorial we will talk about today about alternative fuel sources. You know that the energy cannot be destroyed, cannot be created. It can be altered, it can be converted into different form from the existing. Okay. So in this course MBT 202 we will talk about the alternative sources of fuel. Okay. We know there are several sources of fuel is like hydroelectric, from water it is generated. Geothermal is the geological temperature, geothermal energy. Tidal energy is the tidal wave in the ocean. Solar energy, the energy is received from the sun. And wind energy is, Pat Potaka is in Bengali, that from the wind velocity we can convert this into the energy. So now the interesting thing is that bacteria can generate energy. So this is the most interesting and exciting area in research field also as well as in application field also. From bacteria we can convert energy. How? So this is the topic today lecture. We'll talk about the microbial fuel cell. Microbial is the microbes, bacteria, fuel cell. Okay. So how energy is released? So microbial fuel cell, what is the thing is actually bioelectrochemical system that converts the chemical energy in the organic compound or renewable energy sources to electrical energy or bioelectrical energy through microbial catalysis at the anode. So what does it mean? What is things? The thing is nothing but is a bioelectrochemical system. Okay, is the bioelectrochemical system that converts the chemical energy into organic compound or renewable energy. The chemical energy is transferred into organic compound or renewable energy. Okay, so why we need actually MFC, microbial fuel cell? What is the importance of microbial fuel cell? In the worldwide is new method renewable energy recovery, the direct conversion of organic matter into electric using bacteria. So this is the main importance. And the approximately estimated global wastewater production is about 1500 cubic kilometer per day. Is a so big amount of water is being wasted per day. So this wastewater can be treated using microbial fuel cell and can make a renewable water sources for different purposes. So these are the importance why microbial fuel cell is important nowadays. Now the component. What is the actually things are there in the microbial fuel cell? Microbial fuel cell is nothing but a compartment, is like the battery. The battery is like a compartment which is having the anode chamber, cathode chamber, both the anion and cation chamber, membrane that separate both anode and cathode. This two chamber is separated by a membrane, is the potassium nitrate base membrane or salt type of membrane. Electrode, that copper electrode or aluminum electrode, that electrode in the pH meter you have seen is like a rod like structure. Copper wire is the copper wire that joins electrode inside, that wastewater that contain organic materials. So these are the things, components of microbial fuel cell. So now is the typical picture of a microbial fuel cell. You can see here is the cathode, here is the anode, and this is the separation chamber. This is the separation membrane, salt membrane, and here is the wastewater, and you are culturing the bacteria over here. Okay, in the anode reaction, here is the anode you can see is the glucose, not glucose, is the sugar, actually compound, organic compound is the uh, added with water, and it converts into carbon dioxide, hydrogen and electron ion. Then further in the cathode these hydrogen ion along with the oxygen and electron, it will produce water. So this is the overall thing that generates the anion and cation, and these charges will flow through this path, through this path. So this is nothing but the electric, is the flow of electron, is the flow of electron. Here is the 48 number of hydrogen and 48 number of electron. So electron is nothing but the electricity. So this is the typical picture is already in the anode. You can culture the bacteria. What means in the previous picture you can ask, sir, where from this glucose molecule is coming? The bacteria, their chemical compound is converted into organic compound. This organic compound in the anode here, they have converted into electron. There's electron is transfer here, and this is the external circuit. Here electrons is transferring, and that means electric is flowing that way. When electrons are transferring this way, electric is flowing that way. So this is the electric portion. So here is the typical chamber, and these are types of microbial fuel cell used in household or in commercial purposes also. You can have some idea about it. And this is the two compartment chamber is already talked about that. This is the buffer. Instead of using wastewater, you can use buffer also to increase the electric generation more. And what are the microbes actually used in microbial fuel cell? These are the geobacters species, rhodophyrax species. These are the very common species is used in microbial fuel cells. And also pseudomonas species is very common and popular. We know that in pseudomonas species is also used in aeromonas, salmonella. So these are the common species used in microbial fuel cell. So now the application of microbial fuel cell is the power generation. Power generation is means the electric. Biosensor, it also act as a biosensor. Biogas production is the biofuel under the biofuel. And alternative of waste treatment is the wastewater treatment. You can treat the wastewater, is the huge amount of wastewater is producing per day. You can treat biofuel application, the gases, the buses are running. So these are the detail about the power generation, biosensor, biofuel applications. Means the buses are running through biofuel in the city of Calcutta also, you can see. So these are some advanced research on microbial fuel cells using carbon nanotube. They are producing some different sort of energy and electron, number of electrons, so that they can produce more energy. Thank you for watching. So I hope you can understand this video and watch more and more so that you can understand. Thank you.